Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic reflection series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqara. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس. Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was revealed as guidance for people. This is verse 185. This verse addresses the fact that the Quran was revealed for guiding humanity as a whole. So the first point of reflection is that the primary significance of the month of Ramadan is that it is the month in which the Quran was revealed. It is in commemoration of the Quran's revelation. The second point of reflection is that the Quran was revealed in order to guide humankind, and not as a book to be mechanically read without understanding, merely expecting blessings for rote parroting of the Arabic texts. The third point of reflection is that for those who don't understand Arabic, the Quran should be read along with its translation for proper understanding of Allah's message, because it was hudan linnas. It was guidance for humankind. So if we're not getting any guidance, if we haven't understood what the Quran says, we don't know Arabic, then just reciting the Arabic text without understanding anything is of no avail. It's of no real benefit. Barakallahu fikum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.